Hey guys, how y'all doing? Rodney here, founder of the Profit Hackers Group. And this is week number 8. Week number 8. I have decided to use Zoom. It's my first time using Zoom on my computer and also with my cell phone. I should have thought about to do this a long time ago. But anyway, this is week number 8 results here in Intelligence Prime Capital. But before we get started, let me just go ahead on and read this disclaimer. Foreign exchange options and cryptocurrency trading carries a high level of risk that may not be suitable for all investors. Leverage creates additional risk and loss exposure. Before you decide to trade or engage with these, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience level, and risk tolerance. You could lose some or all of your initial investment. Do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Those are double negatives. So I'm going to say it again. Do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose, okay? Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing one's financial security or lifestyle. Educate yourself on the risks associated with foreign exchange, options, and cryptocurrency trading, and seek advice from an independent financial or tax advisor if you have any questions. Okay, past performance is not indicative of future gains. Forex trading is risky, and winning is not guaranteed. Once again, only risk money that you can afford to lose, and trade at your own risk, guys. All right, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and education purposes only. And this is just to show you what's working for us and our team. We do not own Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, therefore we do not control it. And if we do not control it, we cannot, guarantee or predict how long this company is going to be around, doing what it's doing, anything of that nature. All we can say is that it's working right now. Okay, now that I got that out the way, this is my week number 8 results. It's been a progression. Let me go here. So as you can see now, I only started screenshotting this in week 4. So that's why I only have I'm starting at week 4. So anyway, from week 4, you can see the progressions of the account. For those of you who don't know, who's seeing this video, maybe for the first time, I started this account with $594.45. December 24th, 2021. That was Christmas Eve. And here we are 8 weeks later, okay? And so let's just take a look at what has transpired since then. All right, so week 4, the account had grown to 1653. Week 5, the account had grown to 2013. Now understand that this was so my first 5 weeks, all I did was compound it. I compounded my initial investment. I compounded my trading profits plus my referral commissions. I do have a couple of people under me. However, I haven't actually started really marketing Intelligence Prime Capital yet. Haven't even tapped into my network yet. So a lot of my people that know me, that done business with me in the past, don't even know that IPC exists. Okay, don't even know that I'm in it. All right, so this was week 6, and you can see a big jump from $2,013 to $2,944. This was the second time that I actually went in. I put $500 in out of my pocket, and plus the commissions and trading profits. So $500, that was out of my pocket. So I'm actually in this out of pocket total of $1,094. Okay, so almost $1,100. And then week 6, I started taking profit. Now I've taken profit twice. I knew I took profit. I had to have taken profit in week 6, and then I took profit again in week 7, which was last week. That's why, you know, it's so similar here. And so now I'm going to take profit one more time. This is week 8, and my account is was at 32.11. All right, so now we are going to take a look at how that played out, so we can kind of put some perspective on things. So as you can see, let me get my stylus out here. So as you can see right here, it's what I'm saying. 594.45 is what I started out with. Like I said, that was December 24th, 2021, Christmas Eve. This was my first week of trading. And mind you that I was trading on $594, okay? And this is what the bot did the first week. So it earned me $46.14. Now what happened that following week, I had one person. Now I want y'all to understand this. Really, really understand what I'm saying. $594.45 out of pocket, and one person joined me, my business partner, and he came in with $5,000. Okay. Now at that time they had a promotion going where we were getting 10%. But now that the ranks are in place, you get percentages based on what your rank is. So I received 10% of that 5,000 for $500. And so I went back in with my profits plus this, and then, you know, I went back in with a total of $572.44. So that bumped my account up, you know, to over $1,100. And then so this was week 3. Nope, week 2. Yeah, week 2. So this was week 2, right? A little better, $86.39. Look at the progression. All right, I went back in once again with $180. All of my balances is going to be a total of my trading profit, okay, and my referral commissions. And keep in mind that every week the company takes a 20% performance fee from what you make. So 20% of what you see here in red is what I went back in with my referral commissions. And then we went on to week 3. Week 3, the bot earned me $98.40. I went back in with $188. Now this is constantly compounding on my overall balance. Okay, went on to week 4. Week 4 was a little better than week 3. Okay, this time the bot earned me $117.21. And I was able to go back in with $220. Okay. You know, topping it up, adding to that overall trading balance. Then we go to week 5. Week 5, the bot earned me $125.40, and I was able to go back in with $257.61. Now I want you guys to, you know, take note of one thing: the bot hasn't lost the trade yet. All of these are wins, guys. All of these are wins. Okay. Now, what happened in week 5 was right here where you see January 31st, 2021. This was the $742 I went back in with, $500 out of my pocket, plus my I had some referral commission as well. So anyway, so that happened, and that boosted my and I hate that because that was after the first, you know, day of trading, or that was the first day of trading. And so the rest of the week went, you know, pretty good. And I went from 125.40 week 5 to $189 week 6. Okay. Now, this is when I did not, as you can see, there's no balance here. So I took profit. So I took the 189 plus my referral commissions. I took profit week 6. Okay, then we go to week 7. The bot earned me $209. So it actually did better week 7 with the same balance, right? All right, so I took profit Actually, I didn't take profit. Yeah, I did. I took profit and I also compounded, right? So I couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't just, I have to be growing this account at all times. So anyway, um, I did like a half and half, 249. I think it was 245 I came back in with, and then I think I took out 239, something like that. All right. And then we went on to what's now week number, this is week number 8. So week number 8, another $210.47, almost mirror week number 7. All right. So that's how everything unfolded with that. Okay. So now we're sitting on a $3,000 account, trading account, and everything is looking just peachy. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop sharing my screen on my phone, and I am going to go to my computer and share my screen. Okay, so let's see here. Share screen. All right, so let me do a refresh. Make sure you guys. All right, so now, so as you can see here, this week, with trading profits, with the $210 you just saw plus referrals, I have $461.98 total that I earned for week number 8. So if you do the math on that, let's go to the calculator. 461.98 minus 210.47. So basically, I earned more in referral commissions than I have in trading commissions. So pretty good stuff. Now, but this is what I want you guys. So this is gonna be this video probably gonna be a little longer than others because I want you guys to, really take in some things here. Now, what I am gonna do, and I thought long and hard, but I came to a decision, and I'm gonna take profit. I don't want to, because I really want this account to be at 3,500 for next week, but whatever. I'm gonna take profit. So basically, guys, I'm up to earning $460 a week. Okay. Now I want you to do the math here. And for those of you that in other opportunities and things like that, really do the math here and ask yourself this question: how much or how many people would you have to have in your opportunity in order to earn $461.98 a week? Now think about what I'm saying here. And then for those of you that, let's just say, and I'm not knocking anybody, this is no way I'm throwing shade, because my son, works at McDonald's, earns $10 an hour. But that's what I'm trying to get you guys to see. If you work a full-time job earning $10 an hour, and that's like the going rate, well, it's like the average, in Memphis, as far as like minimum pay goes, is like right there, like $10, right? So if you're working, $10 an hour, 40 hours a week, that's $400 a week. That's $400 a week for 40 hours. You have to work 40 hours just to earn $400. You know what I'm saying? In 1 week. And what I'm showing you guys right here is that I'm earning that in 1 week. I can't even say I'm earning it from home, because I don't even have to be home to earn this. All you need is a cell phone, literally a cell phone, and $200 to get started. And you can earn this wherever you go. Guys, there's nothing. The bot does everything. You don't do any trading or anything like that. The only decision you have to make is every Saturday, you have to decide whether you're going to compound your money or pull it out, or whether you're going to do both, right? Because you have that option. All right. So anyway, another thing that I want you guys to see is right here. As you can see, I haven't been marketing this thing at all. I only have 7 referrals, and these are people. Some people, I guess, they've joined, through my YouTube videos, and then I only have like one person, literally one person that I actually know that I reached out to. All right, now here's what's so significant, and this is why everybody is winning. You don't need anybody. All right, you don't need anybody to earn money over here. I just showed you guys how I'm earning money just from the trading, just from the bot trading my money. I've grown this account. Now, this is not all that I've made. I'm going to go over, everything that I've earned so far, just off an initial investment of $594.45. All right, so let's just go and do that right quick. So let's bring up the calculator. All right, bring up the calculator, and then I'll get into this other thing. So right now, my trading balance is $3,080. Okay. Now, if you go ahead on and you just add the what I've earned this week, that's $461.98. Okay. Now, so far we're at $3,462.78. So now let's go over to Nominex. Because what I do is all of my, as you can see, we get paid in USDT, and we get paid in the USDT that's on the Tron network. Okay. So I send all of my USDT to Nominex. Guys, I'm telling you, this link will be in the description. You guys need to really check out Nominex. As you can see, it's over 1,000 trading pairs with the highest liquidity and 0 fees. Now, it's a catch to that, but when I tell you 0 fees, I do mean that it can be 0 fees. As you can see, no KYC required. That'll earn you up to, you can withdraw 0.1 Bitcoin per day with that. It has a format. It's the first hybrid exchange with DeFi. It's just good. I mean, you see it right here. 5-star rating, and this is no fluff. I mean, it's good. And as you can see, they are an official Binance broker. All right, so now let's go to my dashboard here, because I want to show you guys. And I'm going to go to my Spot wallet. And so it's going to go to transactions here, and it's already on deposit. So as you can see right here, I have 2 USD. This is where I send my profits. I send them over here. All right, now remember I told you that week 7 I went in with $245. But this was the other amount right here. You can see this was November 14th. Right? So this was last week. I took profit, and I also compounded. So all in all, I had, can't remember how much it was, 245 plus this. So anyway, so we're going to add these two. All right, so let's add these two. So that is a plus 236.96 plus the 3 right here, 361.23. So 361.23. 361.23. All right, so it's a total of $4,060.97. Now, what we want to do is we want to subtract what I've put in here, which is $1,094. All right, and 45 cents. So all in all, guys, basically I've earned $3,000 in 8 weeks. Now, my question to you once again is how many people that you would have to have in order to earn $3,000 in 8 weeks? Okay, how many people would it take in your current opportunity, right? And now, furthermore, this is what I want to ask you, because this is the most important thing. This is why my team and I chose Intelligence Prime Capital for this question right here. If and this happens a lot in network marketing, if everybody on your team was to just quit on you right now, how much money would you continue to earn from that opportunity? Okay, now let me answer that question for me. If everybody was to quit right now, okay, I will continue to earn the money that I'm earning from my trading account. And that amount would continue to grow because I will continue to compound and take profit. That's why this is so powerful. I want you guys to understand that I started this thing 8 weeks ago with $594.45 and one person. That's it. Now, I know you probably see 7 referrals right here, right? And I know y'all probably looking at this and like, is that 2 million? It really is. We have a global bonus too that's distributed between marketing directors and shareholder directors, but that's another story. As you can see, I'm a senior manager. Let me just click on that right quick so you guys can see. And I am halfway in group sales to becoming a department manager. I've knocked everything else out of the park. And we all win. It's not just me, guys. My whole team, the whole team is winning. Okay. We're gonna do a video. We're gonna have to do a Zoom. My team and I, we're gonna have to do a Zoom, man, so you guys can see everybody. Everybody's winning. Everybody's making money over here. So anyway, so I'm gonna go to account and I'm gonna go to network here and click on that. That's how you would find this. Go to accounts and go to network. And I'm gonna show you guys out of the 7 referrals, how many people are actually active, all right? So my current rank is senior manager. All right, so this guy, Kingston, let's see, is he? Nope, he hasn't funded his account. Okay, so that's 1. Well, no, that's 0 right now. And this is my guy Keto. Shout out to Keto. He has funded his account. So that's 1 person out of the 7 referrals that you've seen. This is Noel, 0. Okay, this is Henderson, 0. All right, so far, guys, I only got 1 person. All right, this is Samuel. All right, so okay, he's funding his account. So that's 2. That's 2 people. All right. Now I know Jack said that he was going to fund his a little later, so he hasn't funded his account either. So far there's 2 out of 7, and then this is Quintel, and he's funding his account. So that's 3 out of 7 people that have actually funded their account, you know, over here. And then of course Quintel, out of the 7, is the only one with an actual team, and I'm not gonna, you know, open his stuff, but he has 3 active people out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. He only has 3. But guess what, guys? We're winning. We're winning. Everybody winning. So I showed y'all that to say you don't need a lot of, first of all, you don't need anybody to earn money over here. You don't need anybody to earn a significant amount of money over here. All you need is a cell phone, internet connection, and $200, and you're well on your way. Now I'm going to show you guys a couple more things, and then I'm going to wrap this video up. So right here, as you can see, I already have my FX book open. This is my portfolio. As you can see, this Profit Hackers right here. All right, so this is my personal MyFX book, and this is how, for those of you wondering, well, what is this? This is how you verify, you know, that the trades are legit. Now, this is what I want to show you guys. This is what's so significant. All right. Now, since I started back in December 24th, 2021, my account has experienced 57.76% gain. Okay. As you can see, I'm averaging, the bot is averaging right at, you know, right at 0.80%. So right under 1% per day. Monthly average is right around 27%. All right. You with the Genius Bot, you earn up to 45%. You can, you know, it'll earn you up to 45%, but you know, that's up to, okay. It showed you my balance that I already showed you. And it also shows my profit, okay, which that's a little, well, that's the profit that the bot is earned, but I think this is a little behind. Yeah, it's a little behind. All right, so anyway, and here it is. It is a live account. All orders, trades, and statistics are calculated and reported in real time. So it's been updated. Shows you the current withdrawals. You guys saw that. All right, but the significant part, look at this. Zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. All right, and then on top of that, this bot has successfully placed 99 trades. Out of 99 trades, it has lost 0. This bot has a 100% success rate, 100% winning rate. Okay, that's for me now. Okay, now has the bot lost? It has, but that was when it first started. Okay, so now let's go on down here and let's take a look. And then keep in mind that this is my account. All right, so once again, you know, numbers don't lie, people do. All right, so this was December 2021. This was the last week. Remember, funded my account on Christmas Eve. So it was only 1 week left. The bot started trading the following week. And it earned me 7.76%. That's how I closed the year out. And if I click on this, it'll show you you know what, you know, the pairs that it trades. It really likes the Euro USD. That was just good then. Average holding time, it shows you all of this stuff. You got to get a My FX book account. It's free if you decide to trade with this bot. All right, now let's go and show you the trading bot account. So if you click on subscription, for those of you that decide to join, when you register your account, you know, it's completely free to register. You get a back office similar to this. You won't see all of this until you actually join. But you come down here to subscriptions and everybody will see this. Yes, guys, that number is over over $250 million in this Genius Bot account. Yeah, that's 286 million. Okay, there's guys, listen, there's almost 200,000 investors. Okay, using the Genius Bot. You cannot duplicate your account; they will shut you down. Okay, but as you can see, though, this number could be a little just because it's 192,000 showing doesn't mean that everybody's active. I just showed you guys how, you know, some people can be in the system but haven't funded their account yet. All right, but as you can see, each bot has a My FX book account, okay, attached to it. None of these other bots make sense. It only makes sense to get the Genius Bot because you're going to earn more here, okay, with the same amount of effort. Okay, you're not doing anything. The bot does everything. So it just makes sense to, you know, start with this bot. Each bot, you have to have a minimum of $100, and you have to fund your account with either Bitcoin or USDT. So I'm going to click on the My FX book or Genius Bot, so you guys can see now the numbers are going to be different, of course, because the bot trades, you know, of course, it's trading a larger capital than, you know, my little $3,000, right? It's trading over. I did something. It's trading over, you know, 280 something million dollars. All right, but as you can see, the bot has a almost 1% daily return rate. All right, it has earned over 536% since it started, and it's averaging right around 33%, almost 34% per month since its inception. But this is the most important, the most impressive part, because it's not about how much the bot can earn you, it's about how much the bot can prevent you from losing. Guys, that is less than 1% drawdown. Those of you that trade, you know that if you can keep your drawdown under 30, 20%, that you're doing exceptionally well. Less than 1%, Show me a bot out there that's killing it like this. I'll wait. So far as you can see, it's at 19% return for this month. And if we go back to mine, my account, you will see in 2022, let me see, I earned 28.43%, okay? And the bot has earned in January 34.84%. So it's a slight difference with what the bot has earned overall versus what it has earned you. So as you can see, like I said, it's up to 30%. So I mean 30 to 40%. But who's gonna complain, right, about a 28.43% return on their money? Nobody. Okay, nobody. Now, once again, this bot has total executed 392 trades. And this is what I was saying. Out of 392 trades, it's only lost 20 trades, guys. That represents a 95% winning rate and only 5% loss. Unreal. And all of that, those 20 losses happen in the early stages of the bot. Now, if you look at 2021, I said this bot started in August. You'll see here, let me blow this up. I want to make sure that this is big enough. As you can see here in August, it's when it first got started, 7.99% return. September, 18.32%. October had a quantum leap, 44.82%. Unreal. But November, guys, 51.12%. That is unbelievable. So basically, if you had $100,000 in this account in November of 2021, you realize a $51,000 gain minus the 20% performance fee. That is just that's unbelievable. And then it closed the year out with 41.65% return. And then, like I said, in 2022, the first month it did 34.84. And as of right now, we're at 19.16 with 1 week of trading left to go. All right. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's about all I have for you. That's about all I have for you. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to take profit, and then after this, I'll basically be broken even. And we all know once you break even in anything, you're now at zero risk, right? Because all of your initial investment that you invested, you've gotten that back. So now you're doing what? You are playing with the house's money. And that's what we teach everybody in our group, you know, in our investors group, that you want to get to break even as fast as possible. So that way you're playing with the house's money. And then after that, everything is profit. Just FYI, I compounded for the first 5 weeks. And so now week 6, 7, and 8, I took profit. Week 6, I took all profit. Week 7, I took half and half. Okay. And so week 8, this is week 8. And week 8, I'm about to take everything. I'm about to take the whole 461.98. And so then week 9, I'll go back to compounding again. But I'm still going to be doing both. I'm going to be compounding and taking profit, compounding and taking profit along the way. All right. Because my goal is basically, yes, I still have a job. It's a 6-figure job, but it's, you know, still a job. But my goal is to match what I make on my job and then surpass that, to double and then triple. Once I triple what I make on my job, then I will no longer be in my job. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have. I know this was a long video, but I think it was worth it. If you guys thought it was worth it, then definitely smash the like button. That lets me know that you actually found value in the video. If you guys have any questions, I will have my messenger link in the description. That is the fastest way to get in touch with me. What else do I have? Yeah, so if you guys want to join, the link will be in the description to join the Profit Hackers. You guys will be joining a very up and coming team. We're rolling, everybody's winning. Very helpful team here that we have. And yeah, that's it. I'm done babbling. Okay. Yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell, guys, so that you'll be notified each and every time we put out a new video on this channel. Looking forward to working with each and every last one of you guys. Let's make 2022 the best year yet. Rodney here, founder of the Profit Hackers Group, signing off. You guys be blessed.